If you've ever tried to understand how your work items are connected in Jira, especially across multiple projects, you probably know how frustrating it can get. You click into one issue, then another and another, just to see the full picture. And with each click, you start losing the context. That's exactly where Links Explorer comes in. Let me show you the unified tree view, a powerful way to visualize the entire hierarchy of work items without switching screens. Right from this panel, I can see how a top-level item, like a compliance initiative, breaks down into frameworks. You can keep drilling deeper to uncover what's linked, what's missing, and what's at risk. We also have powerful filters built right in, like priority, link type, and issue type. So whether you want to filter out blockers or a release manager reviewing status, you can slice the tree to focus on what exactly matters. Each node in the tree is displayed like a card. You can configure these cards to show exactly what your team needs, like assignee, story points, or custom status. If you need to share the traceability view outside the Jira, you can share it with just one click. Need to add a missing relationship? You can add it right from here. Just click on the add icon, and you don't need to open an individual Jira issue for that. To sum it up, the unified tree view in Links Explorer gives you a real-time interactive map of how your work relationships are mapped. No context switching, no manual digging, just end-to-end clarity, all in one view. In the unified tree view, we saw how easily you can visualize hierarchies and dependencies in one place, but sometimes you need more than a visual map. You need a structured report that can be analyzed, filtered, and shared across teams. That's where traceability reports in Links Explorer come in. As soon as you open the report, you'll notice it comes across with three powerful views: issue type view, link type view, and tree view. Each serves a different purpose, but they all give you end-to-end traceability. Let's start with the issue type view. This view groups your work items by their types like requirement, test, risk, audits, giving you a structured perspective. You can start by applying filters or writing JQL queries to focus only on the work items that matter to your context. Once filtered, you can refine what you want to see in the table using the table field dropdown. You can add or remove fields depending on what you care about. For a more detailed snapshot, you can also configure the work item cards to show the selected fields directly on the report. If you have set up a view that works well for your team, you can save it as a custom view. So next time it's available in one click. And finally, when you are ready, you can export the report to CSV or Markdown format, either the current page or the full data set. The link type view works in a very similar way, except it organizes your report by relationship types, like relates to blocks, implements, and all the functions are available here as well, like the filters, JQL table fields, or work item cards customization, even the save filter and export the report. Finally, the traceability report also includes a tree view similar to the unified tree view, but here you can expand and explore the hierarchies of multiple work items, giving you a broader picture of connection across your project. There is also an option to show orphan issues. These are the work items that aren't linked to anything else. It's a simple way to catch gaps in the traceability. So with the traceability reports, you are not just visualizing connections, you are analyzing them, customizing them, saving them for reuse, and sharing them across the organizations. Its structured traceability is built for enterprise scales.